Hello everyone, it's Jess in Japan. Today I'd like to give you a tour of my apartment. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my little piece of paradise. First would be the entrance with a typical Japanese style entrance to take off your shoes, and you have closet storage as well. Next to the entrance immediately is a washing machine and a little bit more storage. So I have some cleaning supplies as well next to my washing machine. Next to that, you can see the kitchen area. I have 2 stove burners and a small sink, some more storage area, and that's about it. It's a very small area. Next to that, you can see my fridge, and I also have a toaster oven and a microwave / oven / grill. Additionally, I have a little storage rack for spices and more cooking supplies. Here you can see a Japanese style washlet toilet. Simple basic washlet, nothing too fancy. And next to the toilet room, you can see a typical Japanese style bathroom with the shower, sink, and bathtub. Nothing too special here. Next is my bedroom, living room, and dining room area. And here this bed is just a futon on top of a platform. And under the platform is more storage. Here I have received a kotatsu or heated table. This couch actually folds out into an extra bed. Here is a desk so I can get some work done comfortably and enjoy that working space separately from my eating space. The apartment comes with a foldable table attached to the wall. However, I don't use it, so that's why it is folded down. And here you can see the closet. Here is my TV / entertainment center. I think it was typically intended to be a desk, but I used it as an entertainment area instead. The stairs next to the entertainment area provide more storage space. There's also a nice security system and intercom system as well. So I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. Thank you so much for sticking around. And if you have any questions or comments about apartments in Japan, please leave a comment or question down below. I'll do my best to answer it, and maybe I can make a future video about it as well. So thank you so much for your support. I really hope that you can subscribe and click that bell notification so you can get notified every time I make a future video. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Links will be down in the description below. So thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.